Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to view your archived messages on Facebook. Whether you've accidentally archived a conversation or just want to revisit an old chat, this guide will help you access them in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look for the Messages icon. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your Messenger inbox. Next, you'll see a menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Tap on this menu icon to reveal additional options. From here, select Archive. This will take you to a dedicated section where all your archived conversations are stored. Now, you'll see a list of all the chats that have been archived. Scroll through and find the conversation you're looking for. Simply tap on it to open and view the messages. If you want to move the conversation back to your main inbox, you can unarchive it by sending a message within the thread, and that's it. Following these simple steps will allow you to access and manage your archived messages effortlessly. Archiving is a great way to declutter your inbox while still keeping important conversations accessible. Thank you for tuning in. If this tutorial was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their Facebook messages. See you next time.